Hi guys, Lee at Frost. Today I've got Jonathan with me. Jonathan supplies our exhaust extraction system. So if you need the car to be running when you're working on it, especially if you've only got a small garage or you need to get rid of those fumes while the vehicle's running, this is the piece of kit for you, and I'll pass you over to Jonathan who's going to go through it with you.
So what we've got, this is the highest temperature section of tubing that is used. This is rated at 300 degrees C, silicon tubing, and at one end of it there's no inner coil, and that is the end that you would attach to the exhaust pipe, so it's flexible so that you can provide a seal around the pipe at that end on. And you do that by using either this smaller clip if it's an older vehicle which has only got a very small diameter exhaust pipe on it, or an adjustable larger clip if it needs to be bigger. So that either that or that would go at that end and attach to the pipe.
And what's the diameter of this, Jonathan?
It's 100 mil.
100 mil, right, okay.
You've then got a 100 mil coupler which will go on this end. So that will attach onto there, again using one of the larger clips.
Yep.
That's a metre long. This is then a much longer piece, but it's rated at a lower temperature because it's further away from the heat of that.
Hasn't it?
That's right. But it still has an inner aluminium foil, so it's important to make sure that the aluminium foil is actually going over that and it isn't just the plastic.
Yes.
Because this is rated at 140 degrees Celsius, but the plastic just on its own is obviously lower than that.
Yes.
And there's a risk it would melt if that connection isn't secure. So we'd use one of the other provided clips to secure that onto that coupler in the middle, and then this is extended then to however length you need it. It can be a little bit or a lot, and the simplest setup would just to have that outside in a place where there's no danger of the fume blowing back in.
Anybody. Yep.
But if you wanted to supply it also as a flange, so you could drill a hole in the wall of the garage that it's in if you wanted a more permanent setup so that the door would close.
And literally just attach it to the...
Yeah, again, that's the right diameter to go on the end of there, and there's another large clip supplied for that. But that's optional depending on how you want to use it.
Okay, wonderful. And that is the Frost exhaust extraction system. Thank you.